Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the third brake light bulb on your Dodge Neon. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and we'll press the brake pedal. You can see what I'm talking about here. So as I come in here, we press it. You'll see only the right and left lights are on. The third light is completely out. You can see it again right there. See that? And that's what we're talking about. To complete this, all you need is just this replacement bulb here. For the Dodge Neon, it takes a 921 model bulb, but you can also use a 922. The only difference is the 922 is just slightly dimmer, but it will still do the job. It will still illuminate that brake light, because sometimes 921s are hard to find. You can pick up a double pack of these for around $4 or $5 at Walmart. You can get them at automotive stores, online, all that. So I'll put the price along the bottom where I got this one, but this is all we need. Replacing the third brake light bulb on a Dodge Neon is very easy. Go ahead and open the trunk, and then you can access it from the back. You just unscrew it, pop the new one in, you're done. Here's the back of the assembly right here. This is your bulb right here. You're just going to go ahead and turn it counterclockwise, as we just did there. Let me show you that. I'll get a close-up so you can see. So here's the bulb holder right here. Turn it counterclockwise. It'll clip. Just pull it right out. There's your bulb. You can see that one's clearly burned out. Let's go ahead and change that out. Go ahead and just pull that out gently. Here's our replacement bulb. And what you're doing, just a little slot right in there. You're going to slide it in. Do it gently. These things are delicate. You don't want to break it. Clips right in. And then now we're just going to put it back in there. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place, and we're done. And you want to make sure that, you'll see there the grooves on this, make sure that they fit in there properly. So we're going to turn it to where it slides in, turn it clockwise, locked in place. Let's go ahead and close the hatch, try the brakes, and we should be good to go. Let's close this. Let's try the brake pedal. Take a look here. And you can see now the third light is on. Everything's working fine. There it is off. There it is on. So we're good to go. Okay, well that pretty much wraps up this brief video on how to replace that third brake light bulb on a Dodge Neon. I hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out. Please send me any questions, comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.